In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional logo in Canva in just a few minutes. Even if you're not a designer, Canva's user-friendly tools make it easy to create stunning logos that represent your brand. Start by opening Canva and typing logo into the search bar. You'll see a wide variety of templates, both free and premium, designed for different styles and industries. Take a moment to explore the options and pick a template that matches your brand's vision. Remember, your logo is often the first impression people will have of your business, so choose wisely. Once you've selected a template, click Customize this template. This opens Canva's design interface where you can personalize every element. Start by adjusting colors, fonts, and text to match your brand identity. You can also tweak the layout, resize elements, and experiment with alignments until it feels just right. Next, add unique elements by navigating to the Elements tab. Here, you can incorporate icons, shapes, or graphics that reflect your brand's personality. Canva offers an extensive library, so don't hesitate to get creative and try different combinations until you achieve the perfect balance. After finalizing your design, preview your logo to ensure everything looks polished. Once satisfied, download your logo in your preferred format, ready to use across social media, presentations, or business materials. And there you have it, a distinctive professional logo created quickly and easily in Canva. With practice, you can design logos that truly capture your brand's identity.